Current trends in Northern Virginia's data center market are being driven by two key factors: watts per acre and the need for speed. A scarcity of readily buildable sites has forced land values sharply higher. And in Ashburn, Virginia's Data Center Alley, land sales comps have skyrocketed 250% from May 2016 to May 2018. As a result, owners and developers must do more with less available space by increasing their power density per acre. The most responsive solution to this issue was to adopt multi-story construction. Since 2016, the standard consisted of two-story buildings with heavy rooftop liquid-based cooling. Today, the trend is moving toward three-story structures with rooftop cooling. There are several advantages to a three-story building versus a one-story. First and foremost, a three-story build enables a 200% increase in megawatts per acre in a building with one-third of the land footprint of a one-story building. The incremental cost increase associated with taller structures that consume less ground space tends to be offset by the value of Loudoun County real estate. Multi-story data centers necessarily force the shift of heavy server rooms, UPS rooms, and generators onto elevated floors. These loads can easily be 5 to 10 times what normal floors are designed to carry. To handle the increased load, framing must therefore be stiffer and stronger. At the same time, an end-user design prerogative is clear, open spaces that maximize the usable floor space and enable flexible floor plans. Deeper, more heavily pre-stressed, precast concrete framing members provide an economical solution, supplying the necessary increased load support while also providing the long spans necessary to optimize usable floor space. These precast components begin with Shockey Precast and Metromont's unmatched capacity for the daily production and erection of tens of thousands of square feet of data center-enabled double T's. To carry the load of these jumbo T's to high-strength precast columns, Shockey Precast is now manufacturing a component nicknamed Moab, some of the largest pre-stressed beams ever utilized in commercial construction. To date, Shockey Precast has manufactured and erected more than 8 million square feet of all precast data center shell space, with a significant percentage of that total located in Northern Virginia's Data Center Alley. Very low data center vacancy rates in Northern Virginia are forcing hyperspeed modular construction methods such as precast concrete. In terms of construction schedule, precast excels at meeting the data center industry's need for speed. Manufactured in a controlled environment and able to be erected in weather conditions that would be prohibitive for CIP concrete or steel, precast is unmatched in its ability to meet even the most aggressive data center construction schedule. The beneficial attributes of precast are further leveraged by minimizing the number of individual precast components. Shockey Precast achieves this by maximizing the size of each element, governed largely by shipping constraints, and combining the functions of dissimilar components into multifunctional elements. An example of this is Shockey Precast's insulated sandwich walls. Incorporated as the load-bearing facade of a data center, these precast, pre-stressed elements eliminate the need for perimeter framing, function as the main lateral force-resisting building component, and provide an ASHRAE 90.1 required continuously insulated envelope. They also feature wear and impact-resistant interior and exterior shell and offer the full range of aesthetic options. Individual panels have been fabricated up to 70 feet tall and cover over 700 square feet of area per piece. In the Northern Virginia data center market, it's all about watts per acre and hyperspeed schedules. With Data Center Alley right in our backyard, we've evolved our engineering, manufacturing, and erection capabilities to respond to the unique needs of the mission-critical industry. Early involvement in the design process allows our engineering team to assist the project team in designing the most effective data center shell possible to meet the owner's financial and schedule requirements. From initial design discussion to project turnover, we focus on helping owners maximize their watts per acre while also responding to the data center industry's need for highly accelerated schedules. Shockey Precast has quickly risen as the leader in all precast data center construction, completing approximately 36 data center projects in the past 15 years. How can we help you with your next data center?